We up in the Philippines, any questions all you do is ask. You can get it right from Sass in the Philippines.
Morning guys, we are at the airport at Clark International Airport, about to check in to fly to Thailand. So here we are. Let me show you what we got. At the airport. And guess who's there? It is, what time is it? It is 6:14 a.m. in the morning. So, yep, pretty good. Check back with you in a little. Alright guys, we finally got through check-in and what was that? Basically we checked in at Clark. So we are, before we catch our plane, we are eating at a restaurant at the airport at Clark International called the Dark Circle Bros. So it is, seemed like it's, I don't know if this is a Korean restaurant or what have you, but it has different soups and rice bowls. So we are gonna sample something and then we'll share it with you. All right. Look who's sitting next to me. There she is. All right. All right, guys. This is beef bulgogi, and she has the pork bulgogi. Of course, we're gonna mix it up and see which one we like the best. So, okay. All right, let's try this again. Beef bulgogi. I like it. Very good. Thumbs up for that one. Thumbs up for that as well. It's good. Let's try yours. Alright guys, we just landed into Singapore on our way to Thailand. From the looks of it, this airport in Singapore is absolutely gorgeous as well. So a lot going on, and looks like we have to catch what they call a sky train to our next gate. So take you along the journey as we walk. And coming into the city, this definitely looks like one place I have to visit, because man, lots of high rises. Just a beautiful city from what I see. All right. Are we going the right way? Yep. Okay. SkyTrain T3. Let's go. see what we got here. Michael Kors, Pedro, Longchamp, Salvatore, Ferragamo. It's a lot of high-end stores here. Tory Burch. And of course, can't do anything without Gucci. Burberry. Oh, here we go. Here's there. Here's your purse, baby. Yeah, you get your Hermes. Balenciaga. You got your high-end watches. Got your Boss. Yeah, so definitely the airport has a lot to offer here. On a high-end scale, beautiful airport. And Dior, Louis Vuitton, Prada, you name it, they got it here, man.
Oh, it's raining? Oh, it's raining.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. It's lifting up the thing. The floor, the ground. It lifted up. Why? Because
Prevent the bus going the wrong direction, I guess.
they close again. Look at that building.
At your convenience.
All right.
Please have your
We're about
passport
to board
and
for
boarding
Thailand.
passes ready for verification
Still in
by
Singapore.
our ground staff and cabin crew.
checked into our hotel here in Thailand. This is actually the DoubleTree Hilton in Sukhumvit. Just let me quickly show you now. We're not sure if we're going to stay here. I just used some Hilton Honors points, so I just wanted to check in here quickly, have some place to lay our heads because it's nighttime for us, and probably going to search the city to see if we can get a better rate elsewhere. So just kind of showing you what we got so far. Of course, this is the bathroom. Looks kind of nice. Got a little robe set out for you. Toilet, everything there. And I think I showed you earlier, of course, I got a nice little fridge, complimentary water and some snacks. Coming into room, excuse the suitcases and everything, but we got king size bed here. Let's see. Kind of looks nice. Got enough room. Got a little nice desk here. And also got a flat screen TV. So that's what we're looking at. With with the points and everything, it's still about $72 a night, which is kind of high. Pretty much most of the vloggers I talk with, they can find a nice hotel room between 30 and 60, average 30 to $60 US dollars per night. So definitely we're going to kind of look at some other options. I like to look at the room, walk in the room, look at the amenities, and make sure I'm comfortable with it. So that's why I didn't want to book it online and lock myself in. So hey, I'll stay a day or two here in this one, and then decide where we're going to go. All right? So we'll check back with you a little later. Have a good one.
Just act sass in the Philippines.